वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी सेलिंग ई बुक्स इन 2024। ई बुक सेल करके आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं हम देखेंगे आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। Everyone knows that a free ebook is one of the best lead magnet strategies for businesses of any size. But if you are an author looking to earn some income, you can make money from selling ebooks. Writing ebooks for money is also a common form of passive income preferred by some, especially after the pandemic. In fact, ebooks are in popular demand so much so that ebook sales have exploded in the past few years, and the growth is expected to continue grow at a steady annual rate of 3.92% up to 2028 internationally. Even though free ebooks offer value to the subscriber exchanging their email for the download, paid for ebooks must deliver a wealth of valuable information plus actionable advice for the reader. In this article, we will help you learn why ebooks are great for earning passive income and share tips and guidelines for where and how to sell your ebooks. Here is a short selection of 8 easy to edit ebooks templates you can edit, share and download with Visme. View more templates below. Why ebooks are good for passive income site 7 sites to help you sell ebook. Ebook file types and formatting. How to sell ebooks in 11 simple steps. Why ebooks are good for passive income? Passive income is one of the most sought after sources of income today. It means you are able to generate income with minimal labor involved. In other words, work less and earn more. Who does not want that, right? Well, ebooks are a great addition to any passive income strategy. The hard work starts at the beginning, and once it's done, all you need to do is maintain your sales and marketing. Once you create an ebook, market it, and share it, it can technically sell itself. To make money, writing ebooks takes a decent amount of effort to write valuable content, not to mention building a strong brand that will carry your ebook to success is not an overnight task. But when you do set everything up correctly, ebooks can help you make money for a long time. In fact, the more evergreen your content is and the more you keep promoting and updating it, the longer the life of your ebook. Need more convincing? Here are some reasons why ebooks are great for passive income. They are relatively easy digital products to make. Even though an ebook will take work to put together and publish, it's still a much easier digital product to create than a multi-lesson online course. You might even have most of the content in your blog post articles that can together create the foundation for an ebook. Templates also make ebook creation a lot easier than starting from scratch. Using them also increases your chances of creating a successful ebook. Visma, for example, offers pre-designed multi-page templates in lot of different designs and for a variety of industries. Putting the ebook together once you have the content is pretty straightforward. If you are working with a team inside your company, then it's even easier. Using collaboration tools makes ebook building an accessible and inspiring activity. Plus, even if it takes you a while to create your first ebook, it will be much easier to make more. Why? Because you will learn from the failures and success of your last ebook and make sure your future works are best sellers. Beyond being an easy digital product to make, you can easily sell your ebook online. In the later part of this article, we will discuss how to sell an ebook online. They make for great lead magnets. Collecting leads for your business is a vital step in the marketing funnel. Ebooks are great lead magnets because you are offering value as you get the person's email. Many people create free ebooks in exchange for a sign up, so your paid ebook must provide more value than a free one. The best ebooks, specifically the ones that are most suited for passive income, and are the ones that offer evergreen content. A good example of evergreen content is a topic that won't change or evolve too fast after you have written it. They help with the link building, ebook creation, and promotion. Generally, need a landing page on your website as a lead generation starting point. At the landing page URL to relevant blog posts and other content on your site. Likewise, other people can add your link to their content and you can share the landing page directly on social मीडिया। ई बुक्स की साइट्स जहाँ आप सेल कर सकते हैं विज़मे पर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये डिफरेंट साइट्स हैं, अमेजोन काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्ट पब्लिशिंग पे कर सकते हैं। तो ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ लीजिए। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। टेक केयर।